Jitsi Meet is a free and secure video conferencing solution that has become popular recently. It's quite easy to use as you don't need to sign up for an account, and all it needs is a browser to run. Although this is a solid performing platform, there are instances when certain issues can occur. In this latest installment of our troubleshooting series, we will tackle the Jitsi Meet camera not working issue. Check the browser camera permissions. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that Jitsi Meet is given permission to use the camera. This is what you need to do if you are using the Chrome browser. Open the Google Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on its icon from the Start menu list of applications. Click on More. This is the 3 vertical dots on the upper right side of the browser. Click on Settings. This will open a settings window. Click on Privacy and Security. This can be found at the left page. Click on Side Settings. This can be found at the right page. Click on Camera. This can be found on the right page. Click on the forward arrow located after Jitsi Meet. This will open the permission settings. Make sure that Allow is chosen on the camera drop-down box. This gives the application permission to use the camera. Make sure Windows 10 can detect the camera. The next thing you will need to do is to check if your computer can detect your webcam. If it can't, then you won't be able to use it with Jitsi Meet. Click on the Start button. Click on Camera. Click on the Take Video button and record a few seconds of video. You can tell if it is working if you are able to play back the video. I hope that this guide has been helpful. We would appreciate it if you can like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.